Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Roborock's biggest robot vacuum upgrades yet, unveiled at CES 2026. And if you're thinking about leveling up your home cleaning, you'll want to hear this. Roborock has introduced two new flagship models, the Saros 20 and the Saros 20 Sonic. These aren't just incremental upgrades, they bring major improvements in mobility and cleaning performance compared with previous generations. One of the standout features is the Adopt-A-Lift Chassis 3.0, a new climbing system that lets these robots scale obstacles up to about 3.3 inches tall and handle thresholds and transitions that used to bog down robot vacuums. That means fewer times you'll have to help your robot get unstuck and more consistent cleaning across different floors. On top of that, these models deliver strong suction power and smarter navigation that adapts to carpets and furniture, helping the bot clean more thoroughly without you babysitting it. The Saros 20 Sonic takes things further with an advanced FiberRise 5.0 Sonic mopping system. This cleaner doesn't just vacuum, it uses a vibrating mop that reaches right up to baseboards and can be customized via the Roborock app to suit different floor types, from hardwood to tile. This extended mop head and higher vibration rate mean better edge cleaning, a common weak spot for robot mops, and deeper cleaning where it matters most. Roborock says both the Saros 20 and the Saros 20 Sonic will be available later in 2026, but pricing details haven't been announced yet. So if you're eyeing one of these for your smart home, stay tuned for official pricing and pre-order info. What this means for you. If you've been frustrated with robot cleaners that get stuck on thresholds or struggle with deep cleaning near walls, these new Saros models could be a significant upgrade. They're especially exciting for people with diverse floor types like carpets, hardwood, and tile in the same home. That's the latest on Roborock's big CES reveal. Drop a comment if you want a hands-on review once these hit the market, and be sure to subscribe for more tech news and gadget breakdowns.